What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today, we are out here going for a little ride. It's been a while. Riverside County has lifted some of the restrictions on the COVID-19, allowing people to go golfing, tennis, things of that nature, sports where you're not within 6 feet of each other. So with that said, I felt a little bit more comfortable going for a ride. My boy Kenny over here wanted to go for a ride, so we're going to go for a ride. It's been weeks since I've fucking gone riding. I had to get a new battery for this bike. I just need this so bad, you have no idea. Anyways, I also got a new camera and a new setup, so I hope it works out with the audio and the GoPro. But as you can see right here, I bought the new GoPro Hero 8 Black, so hopefully the video quality is better. I also have a new camera angle, which we're going to test out, so let's go.
I already ran a red light. Yeah, I ran a red light.
You didn't just run a red light. You ran a red light.
I ran a red light.
Like that was red for a minute, and you ran that bitch.
Yeah, that was scary. So my hands are a little shaky right now. That's why you don't let ghosts fucking tell you where to go.
Hey, don't blame me. I literally put, and I hope you were recording. I said, Kenny, that's a red light. Kenny, that's a red light.
No,
Kenny, that's a red light.
No, you said that after I was already through.
No. We're gonna have to review this. I'm pretty sure you're recording, right?
I was.
All right, we're gonna go back and rewind this, and we're gonna see this. Gas station's over here. Straight.
A straight?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's a red light. You think he's ready to go up the canyons?
You guys fucking set, man. You see those dubs he's got?
Yeah. That dude's sitting on 20s.
They 10.
I'm super excited about trying the GoPro 8 now. My biggest thing on my videos, I've always felt lately that my video quality wasn't up to par with the new technology. And one of the biggest things was that hyper smooth. And I was like, man, I really wish I had hyper smooth in my fucking videos, because I feel like watching your videos, it makes a fucking night and day difference between this GoPro and that GoPro. So.
Oh yeah, your shit's about to blast off, man. Going from a 4 to an 8, like that's.
All parks closed. No slow play.
No snow.
We don't want snow anyways.
No, I don't want any snow.
I think snow's like way up in Idlewild.
Way up there.
Also, we need to go camping one time, because you can go camping up here, and there's not like campsites. Like you literally go up a mountain and hike, and then you just pick. You have to be 10 feet off the trail, and you can camp anywhere you want.
Really? I've never been camping before.
Oh, we gotta do that.
Yeah.
I've never gone camping in a wild environment like that. Like I've done camping in a camping ground where they have designated camping sections, but up here you're literally just going wherever you want, find a spot and camp, which I think is pretty dope. I mean, it's a little scary though. We need Joe Rogan to go with us.
Protect us from bears.
Protect us from bears. I don't think there's bears, but there's mountain lions.
Mountain lions.
There's definitely mountain lions. Oh man, I love the higher the higher you go in altitude, the cooler it starts getting, and then the views start coming up.
Yeah.
I needed this, man.
So my bike has got a lean angle sensor, right?
And
I've got 37 degrees on the left and 39 degrees on the right.
So you lean more to your left.
I want at least one more degree on each side. I want to hit 40 and 38. That's the goal.
All right, we can make that happen. Just relax and take the corners and have confidence in your bike.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a passing lane in the middle of a turn up here, but it's a good.
In the middle of the turn?
Like in the turn, yeah.
Oh shit.
It's pretty fun though. It's a nice, safe turning section. I think this is it right here.
Right here?
Yep. See? Pretty nice turn.
I still only hit 37.
Oh, it tells you right away?
Yeah.
That's fucking cool. And you can still see like the remnants of the fire.
Oh yeah.
But it's growing back.
Yeah, it's coming back. Yeah, the last time I was here, after the fire, and they were just leading people through.
Yeah.
It was charred.
Yeah, it was super charred.
Pretty bad. I'm hoping that the mountains by me don't get it this year. Because last year there were a couple that were real close, like right on the other side of the border.
Yeah.
And that year I met you, it was all black out there.
Yeah, we had just had that fire.
Yeah.
Thank you. Look at that tree.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, that was a bug. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video with my boy KSIX in the back on his beautiful H2. About time that I've been able to go out and ride. I freaking thoroughly enjoyed it. I needed this. I really did need this, not riding for so long. So, I apologize for not making any content. I honestly, I've been stuck at home and I feel like that would be boring. There were a couple things like dealing with a battery that I might have been able to kind of squeeze the video out of, but I didn't want to try to do that. So, I figured I'd wait until I could come out and ride a little bit, and this was it, man. And I'll tell you what, I do enjoy it, man. I miss riding a lot. And this is a perfect way to get out and break that quarantine a bit. While we're not out of quarantine, we're still stay at home. They're allowing people to go out and do certain things, and yeah, so we had to do this. Anyways, we're going to head back to the house, go get some food, some amazing carne asada fries that are just so good, so good.
Worth driving 2 hours for.
Definitely worth driving for. And we're going to hang out, and look at that, a Porsche. I'm glad I'm not on my Daytona. Anyways.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that looked like that new, the bike you hate, the Jigsaw, the...
What?
Whatever. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, have a fantastic day, night, weekend, whatever day it is you guys are watching this. And peace.